I worked hard and long, and it was worth it. It is worth it for you to rise above your circumstances, no matter what they are. Today, start looking at life and your talent differently. Believe you have opportunities, not limitations. When cares pursue me, I'm never gloomy. I keep on singing a song, though the clouds hang low. I laugh at woe and go rolling along. Hello, hello, hello. Where do you want to go with your singing, your voice, your talent, your career, your life? Can you see it? Your belief system, your mindset, and how you think about your talent, your voice, your life will determine where you land and what you achieve in this life. These are the words of Krista Mashore. I'm paraphrasing them a little bit. She was on a podcast, Entrepreneurs on Fire, with host John Lee Dumas, and I wanted to share the ideas she brought to the table. They can benefit us as singers in our careers and everyone personally as well. Also, she said, no matter where you start from, your opportunities are unlimited. You may think you are starting from not knowing enough, thinking you have way too much to learn. You can have many fears that come to mind. And now what? It is what you do with your beginnings, your starting points, your fears that make the difference. I'm going to tell you a story. One defining moment in my life and about my singing career was when my father told me I was nothing and never would be anything without him. This was after a long barrage of negatives. There was other abuse, and the last statement dropped me to the ground, and I believed what he said. I literally felt I was nothing. It was a year and a half before I found the courage to leave home in Philadelphia and go to New York City. I didn't know who I was or what to do, where to go or how to find my way, how to find me. It took a long time and counseling, but today I am doing the thing I love, singing, despite what I was told. It belongs to me. I belong to me, and I am something. I like me. Start liking who you are. You aren't your circumstances. You are what you make your life to be. Not the chaos or fear that is like all around us. Ugh. I worked hard and long, and it was worth it. It is worth it for you to rise above your circumstances, no matter what they are. Today, start looking at life and your talent differently. Believe you have opportunities, not limitations. Let me say that again. Believe you have opportunities, not limitations. Another thing that Krista Mashore said was turn the negatives to positive. Visualize results in advance in your mind. You are training your brain to aim at where you want to go. Now, I'm paraphrasing her. In the other statements maybe too. The negative loves to come and spoil the party of life, but we have a choice to kick it out of our minds. First, look at the words of your thoughts when they are negative. They are stating facts for you to ponder on, believe, and finally, to live. Before they take root and you believed, change the wording to a positive thought. You repeat to yourself and digest many times until these words stick as a belief. She also said, you are the only one responsible for creating the life you deserve, and you deserve it. So go and take action. Her words are so important. Listen again. You are the only one responsible for creating the life you deserve. And you deserve it. So go and take action. No one can do your belief for you. You have the power over your attitude. And whether you are willing to believe in yourself enough to invest in your talent and life. Woo. I say, aim, don't blame. If you blame circumstances for not being able to create the life you deserve and desire, you are not being honest. You're blaming, not aiming. You just could be afraid to step out and try. What I want you to do is visualize with a time, with a place, and with content. Find a time in your day and a place in your home to see how you want your future, talent, relationships to be. As you aim for the best in you, with consistency, you will see opportunities that were there all along. And as you do the work needed, you will invoke the domino effect. Pieces will fall into place. And where will they fall? In your direction, because you're aiming. You are going into action because you are energized, because you are visualizing the best of you and for your life. Well, that is it. I got to tell you, I'm so glad you're here. If you want to learn more about Krista Mashore or John Lee Dumas, the links are below. If you want to learn more about me, go to MarquitaWaters.com. Remember the membership for women singing for a lifetime. We do a vocal workout each week, and we move like we're spring chickens. You know, you need to go to my website and check it out. Oh, and also my book, I Will Not Grow Weary, Lord. It's on Amazon. It's about my stories in the business. Second part is about my voice. Remember, you are the one that can make the difference in your life. Make it today. See it. Digest it in you. Aim. Don't blame. Don't worry about the circumstances. They don't matter. You matter. What you do with your life, that's what matters. Okay? So ring-a-ding-ding that bell and subscribe. Okay? Such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah. It is such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Woo! Bye, 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 bye.